Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be giving you 2 hot praise bassline patterns for your groove, okay? Before we start the breakdown, if you're new to the YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, okay? I also do private class lessons, so if you're interested, you see the link in the comment section below or in the description, or the link will just pop over here. Click on the link to take you direct to my WhatsApp. So guys, I want you to grab your bass and let's begin with the tutorial. So let's look at the first one, then we jump into the second one. Okay, the song was played on key G sharp. Okay, so let me start with the first lines. So da 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 da. So the first bass line, how I moved with the song goes like this. Da 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 da. You understand? So it is 1 1 1 2 2 5 5 1 1 1 1 1 2 2 5 5 1 1. Okay, that is 3 4 6 5 5. So da 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 da. Then I did something like this. You understand? Okay, you can learn this and keep it. Okay, 3 3 3 4 4 2 2 3 1, and you're so 1. Okay, I just want you to learn this too, so that in case you meet a certain song that goes like this, you can just play it simple. Okay, so now let's jump into the first bass line and the pattern. Okay, so the song sounds like this. So okay, so let me teach you how to play this very easy. If you're a beginner, you'll be able to do it. Okay, it's do do so 1 1 5. Understand? So just understand the pattern and flow with it. Do do 1 1 5. Then on your octave here, that is your 5. Then you play 5 5 4 5. Okay. Okay, so okay, so you should also maintain your plucking so that you don't miss the note. Okay, Papa. On my do, I use 1 2 1 2. Okay, so 1 1 2. Then on my 5, I use the first one. Okay, so on my octave here, I start with the second one. Okay, so you understand? So okay, so okay, so and the second one goes like this. Down to my re, that is my 2. Okay, then you have 6 2 2 2 2 6. Then you play 6 5 6 6 2 2 2 2 6 6 5 6. Then back to your 1 5 1 1 1 5 5 5 4 5. Okay, I hope you understand it. So it's very simple. You understand? Okay, so when you are grooving or when you're learning something like this, also try to memorize the sound in your brain or in your mind. Okay, so that it will also help you in learning bass line. If you hear a bass line, you have already captured how to sing it with your voice. So you'll just be there. You understand? So try and learn how to sound the bass. Okay, so let's jump into the second one. So the second one goes like this. That is the progression. Okay, so now let's look at the groove on the one. So on your one actually doesn't have that much groove. It just goes like this. Okay, but the main groove applies on your 2, 3, 6 and 2 and 5 and back to your 1. So I did something like this. Okay, so back to my 1. Do, do. Okay, 1 5 1 5. So then I'll be going to my 2. Okay. Okay, so this is where you need to understand the pattern. Okay, so 1 1. So it goes like this. Look at, just flow with the pattern. You'll be able to play it in all the progression. Okay. So you have 5 6 1 6, then you play 2 2 2 2. That is on your octave. 2 2 2 2 2. Okay, so again, so you have to do it 2 times. Okay, you understand? So the first one goes like this. Okay, 5 6 1 6. The second one, 2 2 2 2 2, your octave and your root. So 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 4 times. Okay. Now to your 3, the same pattern, but here you just do it once. Okay, so the notes are 6 7 2 7. Okay, the first one, then you play 3 3 3 3 3. Okay, so you understand. So understand the pattern. Now to your 6. Okay, so you play. So you have 2 3 5 3. Okay, 6 6 6 6 6. Okay, 2 3 2 3 5 3 6 6 6 6 6. Back to your 2. The same thing. Okay, and to your 5, the same pattern. Okay, 2 1 1 2 5 2 5 5 5 5. Then to your 1. So now this is where you be applying the 1 groove. So now this is where you be applying the 1 groove. So 4 5 7 5 1 1 1 1 1. You got a pattern. Okay, it's very cool. Even if you don't have to play this in the whole progression, you can use the 6. You can play it in a 6. So you know that in mostly any praise song, from your 6 you'll be going to your 2. You understand? From 6 to 5, then you end the song. Okay, so just take it slow, understand these 2 patterns, the first one, the second one, and see how you can benefit from it. Okay, so guys, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.